In this video, I'll show you how to program, how to sync your remote control to your garage door opener. So it's very easy. This is a basic one, and my model over here, it's a LiftMaster, but this works with many other models as well. So the first thing we need to do is to find the Learn button on this unit. Usually it's located where the light bulbs are on the sides and where the power wire is connected to your garage door lifter. So in my case, it's not over there, it's on this side, and I need to remove this small plastic panel like that. And if we look closely over there, you see there is a red button. Maybe yours will be purple or yellow. In any case, it's a button that is square or circle. What you need to do now is to press once on that button. Do not keep your finger press on it. Just give a single tap on it. Let me do it. And by the way, before doing this, make sure you have your remote control ready around, because you'll need to use it after. I'll show you. So I press once, you see there's a small light. Now take your remote control. Let's say I want to program this button. I'll click on it once. This light may come up, or another light, and then press again on that button. And you see your garage door is now opening. You can close it by pressing the button on your remote control. And this is it. You have now programmed a new remote control with your garage door opener. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.